The engineer, well done, sir.
Ah,
Well done, my brother. Yeah, eyes up. Fine, oh. You don't look fine, you look stressed. What's going on there?
this generator is having a hard start. So I'm trying to figure out why and what I can do to fix it.
From my own knowledge, I think you should look out for low battery voltage, fuel issues, or one out plug. The other things, but just check this one first, then you see what if there can be any change.
Yeah, okay, my brother, okay.
Yeah, you're welcome, you're welcome. But wait, just because this generator is having these issues, I'm to look at on these solutions. Wow, wow, my brother. Wow. Okay. How do you know? I just follow Elect Godwin.